Give your attendance. Give your attendance. When sodium hydrogen carbonate, when added to acetic acid, evolve a gas. Which of the following statements are about the gas evolved? Again, repeat the question. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when added to acetic acid, evolves a gas. Which of the following statements are true about the gas evolved? Option 1, it turns lime water milky. It extinguishes a burning splinter. C, it dissolves in a solution of sodium hydroxide. It has a pungent odor. Which option is correct? Which options is or are correct? Can you hear me? When sodium hydrogen carbonate added with acetic acid evolves a gas, which of the following statements are true about the gas evolved? It turns lime water milky, or it extinguishes the burning splinter, or it dissolves in a solution of sodium hydroxide, or it has a pungent odor. Which option is correct? Option I and double I. When sodium hydrogen carbonate react with the acetic acid to form carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is used for extinguish the burning splinter, and also it turns lime water milky. So the option I and double I is correct. Next question. Common salt, besides being used in kitchen, can also be used in the raw material for making dash. Common salt, besides being used in the kitchen, can also be used for making as raw material for making dash. Washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda, slaked lime. Washing soda, bleaching soda, baking soda, slaked lime. Baking soda only. Oh, any other? Pratishtha, Those are present, give your attendance. Washing soda, baking soda, all are prepared from sodium chloride. Okay. Next question. One of the constituent of a baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is dash. Hydrochloric acid, tartaric acid, acetic acid, sulfuric acid. One of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate and the other constituent is dash. Acid, sulfuric acid. Tartaric acid. One of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate and the other constituent is dash. Anyone? Om Sunaki. Write down the answer. Tartaric acid is correct. Pratishtha, you are right. या कि कौन कोई पढ़ना थे किसी ओम तो जना नहीं Next question. What happens when acid react with metal oxide? What happens when acid react with metal oxide? What happens when acid react with metal oxide? What happens when salt plus water plus carbon dioxide is metal oxide with acid? What happens when acid react with metal oxide? Salt and water is formed. Salt and water. Which of the following salt? Next question. Which of the following salt does not contain water of crystallization? Which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? Baking soda, blue vitriol, washing soda, gypsum. Which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? Blue vitriol, baking soda, washing soda, gypsum, baking soda, very good. Washing soda, Na2CO3 10H2O, blue vitriol, CuSO4, copper sulfate 5H2O, 5 molecules of water of crystallization present in blue vitriol. Washing soda re 10 water of crystallization present, and gypsum re water of crystallization अच्छी dihydrate, but baking soda re nahi. Next question. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of dash. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of dash. Strong acid and strong base, weak acid and weak base, strong acid and weak base, weak acid and strong base. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a mixture of strong acid and strong base, or weak acid and weak base, strong acid and weak base, weak acid and strong base, strong base and weak acid. Very good, Pratishtha, you are right. Next question. To protect tooth decay, very good. Sonak, you are right also. To protect tooth decay, we are advised to brush our teeth regularly. The nature of toothpaste commonly used as dash: acidic, neutral, basic, corrosive. Basic. Next question. Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? Marble, limestone, baking soda, lime. Which of the following substance will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? Marble, limestone, baking soda, lime. Which of the following substances will not give carbon dioxide on treatment with dilute acid? को substance गुड़िक dilute acid सहित treatment हेले carbon dioxide formation हब नहीं. Marble, limestone, baking soda, lime. Lime होचे calcium oxide. When react with a dilute acid like a hydrochloric acid, it only form calcium chloride, not carbon dioxide is formed. Next, which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? Which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? Aqua regia, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? Aqua regia, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Aqua regia, very good. Asutosh, Sonaki, batch. Write down your answer. Next question. What happens when metal hydrogen carbonate react with dilute acids? What happens when metal hydrogen carbonate react with dilute acids? What happens when metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with dilute acid, salt, water and carbon dioxide? Very good. Next question. What is brine? What is brine? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Very good. Next. Write the chemical formula for bleaching powder. Write the chemical formula for bleaching powder or chemical name of bleaching powder. Write the chemical CaOCl2. Good. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water for a short duration and for a long duration? Repeat the question again. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water for short duration and for long duration? Ranbir, turns milky. Very good. For short duration, it turns milky. If it continuously for a long time, if carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water for a long time, Ashutosh, calcium hydroxide, you are wrong. What is observed when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water? Lime water is calcium hydroxide. When carbon dioxide is passed over calcium hydroxide means lime water, then calcium carbonate is formed, white PPT, which turns milky for short duration. Very good, Ranbir. Calcium carbonate. If carbon dioxide gas is passed over lime water very long period of time, what will happen? If short period of time, calcium carbonate white color precipitation will be formed. If it continuously or long period, very good, color disappeared for long time, the product is calcium hydrogen carbonate will be formed, which the milky color is disappeared for long time. If we passed carbon dioxide for long time to the lime water, then the milkiness will be disappeared. For short time, if we passed carbon dioxide through the lime water, it turns milky, so that calcium carbonate will be formed. If for long time, the calcium hydrogen carbonate will be formed, which will be disappear the milkiness. Next question. Three acidic solutions A, B, and C have a pH 0, 3, and 5 respectively. A acid solution pH is 0, B pH of B is 3, pH of C is 5. Which solution has highest concentration of H plus ion? Which solution has highest concentration of H plus ion? Solution A. Why? The solution, very good. Solution A. Pratishtha, you are right also. Ranveer also right. The solution having lower pH will have more hydrogen ion concentration. Hence, solution A will have highest H plus ion concentration. Very good. Which solution has the lowest concentration of H plus ion? Which solution has the lowest concentration of H plus ion? Lowest concentration of H plus ion having solution C, which has pH 5. Very good. Next question. A compound P is formed the enamel of teeth. It is the hardest substance of the human body. It does not dissolve in water but gets corroded when the pH is lower below 5.5. Identify the compound P. Identify the compound P. Calcium phosphate. Very good. How does it undergo damage due to eating sweets or chocolates? What should we do to prevent tooth decay? There are 2 marks question you have to write. The chemical formula for plaster of Paris is dash. The chemical formula or chemical name of plaster of Paris is dash. The chemical formula or chemical name of plaster of Paris. Half H2O, Ranveer. Very good. Hemihydrate. You are right. Calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. Gypsum, calcium sulfate, dihydrate 2H2O. Plaster of Paris, half H2O. Bleaching powder. Write the chemical formula for bleaching powder. How is bleaching powder prepared? Write the chemical reaction. For bleaching powder, it is prepared by the action of chlorine gas on dry slacked lime. On dry slacked lime. From where do we get chlorine gas? We get chlorine gas by chloroalkali process. This chlorine gas is used to prepare, very good, calcium hydroxide plus chlorine, calcium oxychloride. Very good, Ranveer. Okay. Next chapter will be discussed tomorrow.